Okay, hi, and welcome back to another video in this vanilla JavaScript course series. So, in the last video, we covered how to add the data to our page while clicking one of the menu items, but we realized it's adding everything else to the page and it's not erasing. So, if we click burritos or whatever we click, it's just going to keep adding them and adding them and adding them. And in this very short, sweet video, we're just going to remove these items in a few lines of code. So, let's start out by creating a function called remove food items. So function, capital R, remove food items. No parameters because anything this function needs to figure out, it'll be able to do inside the function without any help. And we know we are going to want to get the food item parent div because we want to see what children are inside of it. Our children are our food options that the client or whoever is looking at our website can order. And we want to see how many children it has so that we can remove it. So we are going to say wow because this will loop through all the food item parent children. We're going to say food parent dot last child because this will check for that last child even if there's one single food menu or food item to choose from. That is still a last child. We're going to say food parent dot last child dot remove, just like that. And now we want to put this into our event listener because whenever we click on that menu option, first thing we're going to want to do is remove the previous options the client could choose from. So I'm going to save that, open and refresh, and there we go. It's as simple as that, a few lines of code for removing our dynamically added text. In the next video, we're going to start playing with a little bit of the CSS and going over Flex and Flexbox. It's very important in web development and design. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed something, or I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. Feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video.